Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common question. What exactly causes wrinkles and the visible signs of aging that often become more apparent after the age of 40? It's a natural part of life, but understanding the science behind it can empower us to support our skin's health. Before we get right into the video, I want you guys to like and subscribe to the channel so we can bring more of these uncensored and unfiltered details and truths about health that doctors, industrialists, or cosmetics don't want us to know. Stick to the end of the video and we'll provide you some home-based remedies that are scientifically proven to work. The body's aging process and its effect on skin. Wrinkles are a direct manifestation of the complex biological process of aging. As we move past our 30s and into our 40s, several key changes begin to accelerate within the skin structure. Firstly, collagen and elastin production significantly declines. Collagen, a protein, provides skin with its firmness and structure, while elastin gives it elasticity and the ability to snap back. After 40, our bodies produce less of these vital proteins, and existing fibers can become fragmented and disorganized. This leads to the skin losing its plumpness and ability to resist gravity, causing it to sag and form lines. Secondly, our skin's natural hydration capacity decreases. The production of hyaluronic acid, a molecule that attracts and holds water, diminishes. This results in drier skin that is less supple and more prone to showing fine lines and wrinkles. Thirdly, the fat layers beneath the skin thin out. This subcutaneous fat acts as a natural plumping agent. As it diminishes, facial contours can change, leading to more hollowed appearance and exacerbating the visibility of wrinkles, particularly around the eyes, cheeks, and mouth. Finally, cellular turnover slows down. Younger skin rapidly sheds old cells and replaces them with new ones. As we age, this process becomes sluggish, leading to a buildup of dull, damaged cells on the surface, making wrinkles more pronounced and skin less radiant. Accelerators of skin aging. While intrinsic aging is inevitable, several external and lifestyle factors can dramatically accelerate the process, making wrinkles appear earlier and more severely. Sun exposure, or photoaging. This is arguably the leading external cause of premature aging. Ultraviolet radiation, or UV rays, from the sun damage collagen and elastin fibers, leading to a breakdown of the skin's support structure. It also causes uneven pigmentation and a leathery texture. Smoking. The chemicals in cigarette smoke constrict blood vessels, reducing blood flow and oxygen to skin cells. This deprives the skin of essential nutrients and accelerates collagen breakdown, leading to deeper wrinkles, particularly around the mouth. Poor diet. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation throughout the body, known as inflammaging. This process can damage skin cells and collagen. Conversely, a lack of essential vitamins and antioxidants from a nutrient-poor diet means the skin lacks the resources to repair itself. Chronic stress. Persistent stress elevates cortisol levels, a hormone that can break down collagen and elastin. Chronic stress also impairs skin barrier function, making it more susceptible to environmental damage. Repetitive facial expressions. While a natural part of communication, repeated muscle contractions over decades, like frowning or squinting, can etch permanent lines into the skin. Conclusion. Supporting your skin's health. Understanding these processes empowers us. While we can't stop time, we can certainly support our skin's health and minimize the impact of these accelerators. From an Ayurvedic perspective, healthy aging focuses on balance and nourishment. Implementing simple home-based remedies can make a significant difference. Hydration from within and without. Ensure adequate water intake daily. Topically, consider natural moisturizers like aloe vera gel or pure almond oil, which provide deep nourishment and aid in maintaining skin elasticity, aligning with Ayurvedic principles of snigdha, or oiliness for skin health. Antioxidant-rich diet. Incorporate plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables. Turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant spice commonly used in Ayurveda, can be consumed internally and used sparingly in face masks to promote tej, radiance. Mindful practices. Regular meditation or gentle yoga can reduce stress, balancing the vata and pitta doshas often associated with aging and inflammation. Sun protection. Consistently protect your skin from direct sun exposure using natural barriers and appropriate clothing. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more informative and helpful health tips that are presented to you unfiltered every day. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy.